welcome to another quick video on how to make a 3D visual for your clothing brand. So first of all, you're gonna want to have the files opened up on your computer and well, downloaded and everything. So I'm gonna open the t-shirt file here. Just open. You'll have three screens here. One for the main render, pretty much this is the camera view. You don't need to change anything here. This is where you'll select the things that you want to change. So I want to change the color of the car. You'll see here the shirt and the billboard. So first of all, if you go here, this is the viewport view. So this is what your render will look like. You can press space to play and just hold your mouse through here to see the animation. So let me start off with the cars. You can look over here with the check mark. There's three cars you can choose from. If I want to change the car, I can unselect the M4 for example and select the Urus, select the Hellcat, and just stay with whichever you like. If you want to change the color of the car, you can just select the car body and then go here in the color and use the color wheel to change it to your liking. Here you can see that's all you need to change for the car color, and it works the same for pretty much every car, like this. Next, for the most important part, the clothing piece. So for the clothing piece, there is a Photoshop file and there's an image file in the download folder, which is included in the download folder, and then you can open that in Photoshop, or in this case I'm going to be using Photopea because Photoshop is paid and I want to make this accessible as possible. So I'll open Photopea. This is just a website which can also open a Photoshop file. So open from computer, and okay, this is the hoodie, but when you download, you'll see these this folder. Don't change, you don't need to go in this. Just go into the change and you can open the PSD file for the t-shirt. So double click on that and it should open right away. If you can see, right now it's a white t-shirt. This is what Blender is using for your designs. So let's say you want to change the color. You can double click on the t-shirt layer here. The background, I just put the background just so you know what's showing and what isn't. So only the white part is showing. I want to click on the t-shirt layer, double click on this, and I can go color overlay. Click on color overlay and you can change it to the color of your liking. So I'll go here, okay, and then also for the designs, you need a PNG and just drag and drop into this. So in this case, I'm just gonna copy this image. This is a PNG file, and we can paste this here, and it'll be here. To move your image around, I know Photoshop is Control-T. Photopea, if I'm not mistaken, is Control-Alt-T. And yeah, you can just move it around. This is the front, this is the back, these are the sleeves. To bring it down, to like resize it, just get it over here, center or whatever, however you like it, and then press enter. Okay, that's it. You got your design. File, export as PNG, and then export to your preferred location. And then once you have that image file, you can click t-shirt and change this here. Change this for your t-shirt file that you just made for the PNG file you just exported out of Photopea. So you can click an X here, open, and then you'll open your PNG file for your t-shirt. In this case, mine is just blank right now, as you can see, but yours will have your own design. Open image, and it will automatically appear here. The same goes for the billboard. The same concept applies. So X, open, go into the change folder, and then just like the t-shirt file, there is a Photoshop file included in the download folder. So open the PNG. In this case, it would be your logo, but this is just an example. Open image, and it will appear here. So this is pretty much it. You got everything customized, and then once you're ready to export this video into an MP4 format, you can go into the third display here and go into output. You go all scroll down, and then you'll see this. When you can click this, and you can select whichever folder you want your video to be on, to export on, and just name it like video example. Accept, and you don't need to change any of these settings, these are all good. And you can just press render and render animation. The animation to fully render out should only take max 10 minutes, not even. Right now it's at frame 3. Once it reaches frame 95, it means it's done. When it says frame 95 here, you can check the video example folder that you just the video example folder that you just made, and your final video will be right here. That's pretty much it. The download links will be in the description.